Hey everybody, I thought I would post this video. I just had finished pouring some paint on here. Actually it's a re-pour. I had done a big mess earlier, so I just put on some more colors, tilted a little bit, and I'm going to create a background for another painting in the future. So I just am going ahead and creating a background now with this one. I am going to do a little bit of swiping, not a whole lot, and I'm going to add water to a lot of it and just create a dripped painting background. So I'll just let you watch and see how I create this background. I really like it when it's done. I like the colors. Um, Adding the water and letting it run really makes for a nice effect and a nice background for a future painting. I don't know what it is that I had in one of my bottles, but it is constantly leaving chunks all over my paintings. I spend more time cleaning it off and picking them out. Anyway, I'll let you watch and um, hope you enjoy just a short little video. Well, I really like this little painting background. I will probably do something further with it once it's dried. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed just a short, quick little video on some pretty colors. Anyway, have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks for watching.